Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Lemme Burn Metabolism Support Weight Loss Gummies. So you might be wondering what is the Lemme Burn Body Composition Gummies or the previously known Metabolism Support Weight Loss Gummies you may be hearing online. Well, Lemme Burn Body Composition Gummies is a supplement from Lemme. Now, formulated with clinically studied Morocil red orange extract derived from Moro blood oranges, along with black ginger root extract, chromium, and B vitamins, including methylated B12 and B6. Other ingredients included tapioca fiber, organic cane sugar, pectin, natural flavors, and stevia leaf extract in a berry flavored gummy. Now, it's vegetarian and gluten free, according to them. Now, in this case, the brand describes Morisol as shown in human clinical trials to help reduce BMI and hip waist circumference over 6 months of consistent daily use. Now, alongside diet and exercise here, with the formulated formula here positioned around supporting visceral fat loss, metabolism, and body composition rather than functioning as a standalone weight loss product. Now, labeling here explicitly states that it isn't a weight loss supplement, but rather it's formulated to support healthy weight management. Now, how do you exactly take these type of gummies here? Well, in this case, you take 2 gummies daily. So the label directs anyone pregnant, nursing with a medical condition, or taking medication to consult a doctor first. Now, not to exceed the suggested serving as well, and not to store gummies in a cool and to actually store the gummies in a cool, dry place after opening. Now, keeping them out of reach of children since they can be a choking hazard here. And as for the pricing side here, now currently a 1-month supply is listed at $28, down from $40 with a subscription. Now, with 2 month to 3-month subscription options offering deeper discounts up to 40% off at $52 and $72 respectively. Now, one-time purchase without subscription runs at a full $40 price. Now, it's sold through Lemme's official site as well as retailers like Target and Ulta Beauty, and subscriptions can be paused, adjusted, or canceled anytime through the account dashboard here if you are going to directly buy from them on their website. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.